Let's now go to AWS RDS dashboard, and in resources click DB instance. It will redirect us to the DB instance page. Then click create database. We need choose standard DB creation method, and for engine option choose MS SQL Server Express Edition 2017 version. Then select free tier for templates. You can use this for free within 12 months. In settings, provide your desired DB instance name, and in credentials you need to provide the master username and its password. So write the password. In DB instance size, storage, retain the default value. You can modify it if you want if you want to avail the paid service. Then for additional information, connectivity, select default for subnet group. For publicly accessible, select yes for now, because we want to connect in our RDS using, or we need to use it outside VPC. So for VPC security group, you can choose either existing or create new. For now, I am going to use default security group. Yeah, that's it. We're good right now. Just retain the other value by default and click create database. Oops, I think we need to rename that. Period is not allowed, I think, so I'm going to change it into underscore. Um, then click create database again. Oops, that's it. We're going to wait until it was available. It's now available. Let's go to the instance and get the endpoint to log in the RDS using SSMS. Oops, it's not connecting. Let's fix it. Let's check the security group if it's allowing someone outside VPC to connect with it. I am going to use my existing EC2 security group and add an inbound rule that allows an IP to connect on my IRDS. After adding security group inbound rules, let's reboot the RDS instance. Wait until it was available again. Let's try to connect again and check or see if we are going to successfully connect with our RDS instance. Yep, it's working. Thank you for watching. Hope it helps you a lot.